Hello everyone, and welcome to Fort Workshop. Today we're making a themed 1/64th scale garage diorama. In this video, I tried to show the whole process step by step. We'll be making the garage for a Honda Civic EG6 Pan Am model. For 1/64th scale, the level of detail is really impressive. The main material we'll be working with is flat-foamed PVC, also known as polyvinyl chloride. Using a thin flathead screwdriver, mark the surface with lines to imitate tiles. Then we airbrush it with a light gray color. Then, after applying a gloss coat, we use Tamiya black panel line accent color to highlight the lines we carved. Then we wipe off the excess with a sponge dipped in enamel thinner. So the garage floor is done. Next, we move on to the walls. We'll make the garage door out of balsa wood. It cuts extremely easily, so it's very convenient to work with. Then we create a brick texture on the walls, again using a thin flat screwdriver. Next, paint the walls a light gray. Then, using light brush strokes, add some deck tan color in a few areas. To make the wood look more realistic, we apply Tamiya brown panel liner. Next, we move on to making the window frames and windows for the garage. The walls are done, so let's move on to assembling the garage. I bought the shelf, workbench, and tool cabinets in advance. These pieces are 3D printed and have amazing detail. You can find links to these items in the description below. Using a regular pencil, I highlight the edges to give the parts a metallic look. Next, we paint the parts red with Tamiya flat red. Then I decided to try making a tool from a regular paper clip. After painting, it actually turned into a pretty realistic lug wrench. I also wanted to add a few boxes for the shelf, so I prepared and printed these templates. Here's what the mini boxes look like once assembled. To decorate the garage walls, I added some themed vintage posters. I found a few images online and printed them in different sizes. Some items, like the air compressor, jack, and wheels, I bought already assembled and painted. In my opinion, they fit this diorama perfectly. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.